E-waste proper recycling. First, let us know what is e-waste. E-waste is an electronic device that is undesired, broken, or either approaching or at the limit of its lifespan. There are different types of e-waste. There are cell phones, computers, monitors, small devices, audio or video, printers, and others. How to proper recycling e-waste. Recycling e-waste materials would greatly help in conserving our present natural resources and reducing global warming. Furthermore, it saves the landfill sites in the Philippines from uncollected e-waste that just continue to pile up. There are 5 general steps for proper e-waste recycling. First is collecting, next is shredding or sorting, third is dust extraction, fourth is magnetic and liquid separation, and lastly, repurposing or reusing. First is collecting. This is where scrap and undamaged materials are retrieved from collection bins, landfill sites, and simply at home. Following the collecting is shredding and sorting. E-waste materials are shredded for it to turn into smaller segments that would make it convenient for sorting. After that, it can be manually dismantled and conveniently sorted with the use of hands. This is typically labor-intensive as waste items are, at this stage, separated to retrieve different parts. After this, the material gets categorized into core materials and components. Then these items get sorted into various categories. Typically, this category includes items that you can reuse as they are and those that require further recycling processes. The third step is dust extraction. Dirty materials are put into conveyor belts which use a shaking process in order to remove dust or grime. It can also be done easily with the use of cleaning clothes or materials. Next is magnetic and liquid separation, wherein a strong magnet is utilized to identify the metal items to separate metals to plastic and removing hazardous liquids such as mercury to dispose or reuse properly. And lastly is the repurposing or reusing of the metals that is recycled. These recycled materials can also be used for sale or donation. Here are some recycling companies to donate recycled materials: Decathlon Philippines, the E-Waste Project, Globe E-Waste Zero Bin, EnviroCycle, and SM E-Waste Program Collection. Fire action towards e-waste would lead to beneficial environmental and community impact.